how to connect your Shopify store with your Facebook account. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can connect your Shopify store with your Instagram store or your Facebook store. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, I'm on my Shopify store, and what I'm going to do is actually just simply go ahead and install an application. That is the first step. That is one of the easiest ways to do that. And then what we need to do is we need to go over to the Meta Business Suite, and there we can go ahead and do some little bit of configuration. So first things first, add both the applications. Just simply come over here, click on the add apps over here underneath sales channels. At the bottom, you will find add apps. Click on it. Click on Shopify App Store, go to the App Store itself, give it a couple of seconds to load up. And once you're over here, you will find Facebook and Instagram right here at the top. If you don't, you can just simply search for Facebook and Instagram and it'll pop up. So we already have it over here. We're going to click on Facebook and Instagram and we're going to click on install. Give it a couple of seconds to open up in another tab and we should be good to go. So it's installing over here. As you can see, it opened up. Now we'll just simply click on the install button and we should be good to go. And over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. The application is now installed. We'll also pin the application over here so that we have quick access. So now all we have to do is connect them. To connect them, we simply click on the get started button right here in the application. And over here, we have to set up ads on Facebook and Instagram. So we have the Facebook accounts, we have business portfolio and terms and conditions. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on connect account. It's going to open up in another tab. And here, what you need to do is you need to log into your Facebook account. So all you have to do is click on connect account and we should be good to go. So it'll open up a small little pop-up where you just simply go ahead and connect your Facebook account. So once you do that, just simply go ahead and confirm your account, allow the access to your account, give it a couple of seconds, and there you go. So now you have some options. So over here, you have to connect your business portfolio. All right. If you already have a catalog of products, then just simply connects to the business portfolio that owns it, and you'll be able to manage how to advertise your products. So select whichever one you want. Over here, you can create a new business profile as well. So over here, this can't be connected because it didn't apply with our advertising and policies. So we can't connect that, but we already have some pages. If you don't, you can go ahead and go into the Meta Business Suite, log in, create a website, or create a page for yourself. So it's pretty simple. We're just going to log in. In here, we have our options. So this is the one right here. So let's go ahead and switch over to that one. So this is over here. This is the account. But yeah, currently it's not active, so we'll leave it at that. And if you want to create a business profile, just simply click on create a business profile, submit your first name, your surname, your business email, and add your portfolio business name. And there you go. After that, you are good to go. It just literally takes a couple of seconds. But since we already have created a few, we're going to select the ones that we already have. So let's go ahead and connect this one right here. We're going to click on connect. Give it a couple of seconds. It's going to open up over here where we have to go ahead and select what type of preference we want. So we have choose preference, conservative, enhanced, and maximum. So I'm going to leave it at enhanced. What this does is, I'm going to leave it here. So over here, you can read what it does. So customer activity data is shared using the Meta Pixel Advanced Matching and Conversions API. So we're going to leave it at that. So this option shares your customer's personal data to help understand how it is used to our relevant advertising on Facebook. So if you go with this one, it says the exact same thing, and for this one as well. So we're going to select the middle one and click on save. Give it a couple of seconds, and there we go. Now we have to connect a data set to track our customers' behavior. We have to create a pixel. This is create a meta pixel over here. We're going to open this link up in another tab over here. This is how it looks like. This is the agreement and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and click on create a new. There we go. It's created and it will be created after submission. Click on confirm, click on I agree to the terms and condition, and click on submit for review. So once it's done, it's going to go ahead and finalize the channel setup and we should be good to go. And give it a couple of seconds and we can run ads over here as well. So now over here, you can see we have product status as well. So we can make products available for Facebook and Instagram. So we can go ahead and start publishing our products as well. So give it a couple of seconds to load up. And there we go. So it's now connected and we can go ahead and run ads on it as well. But now what we need to do is, the purpose of this video was to show you how to connect both of them. So we have already connected them. Now what we can do is click on publish products, give it a couple of seconds, and we can publish the products over here onto Facebook and Instagram. We click on include products. All right. We can select all of them. Click on the products. It's including products over here. Products are included. Now, if we go into the business suite that we've selected, so this is the one that we had, right? This is the one that we had. There we go. So now what we can do is if we come over here onto the left-hand side, we can see we have Instagram accounts, WhatsApp accounts, and all of that. We can go ahead and connect our Instagram accounts right here. So it's currently logged out, but we can log in later on. And once it's logged in, we should be good to go. Now, right here, we are done with the Shopify page, right? It's already connected. We've already published our products. Now we can just simply go ahead and check them out over here within the catalog. So all you got to do is come over here to your ads manager right here, and I'm currently in the same account. And what you need to do is click on add account. It should be available right here. Maybe if I go back to home, actually just simply click on all tools, and then underneath sell products and services, you will find the e-commerce or the commerce option. Click on it. It'll open up in another tab. And here you can just simply go ahead and skip to the next one and done. And here you have the Shopify product catalog right here. And this is the catalog right here. You can go ahead and manage it over here. So it's loading up over here and we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and click on that option. I think it needs to be connected to a business account to run ad, but I think we'll leave it at that. Let's go ahead and click on items, and our items should appear over here. So here we go. So underneath sets, we have all products, and we can see all the products that are available from our Shopify store over here into our Facebook account. Now, all that's left for us to do is actually just go ahead and create our shop, which is going to be our Instagram or Facebook shop, and we can go ahead and publish our products over there. So right here, this is the catalog. Of course, we have to run our ads and everything. And yeah, to find the option to create a shop, again, go to the commerce manager. And here you can go ahead and add an account, right? Here you can go ahead and create a customized shop over here for your account. Just simply click on add account and create your account. And then you can go ahead and import your catalog from your Shopify store within this account. And then you will be able to sell your Shopify store's products over here onto your Instagram shop or your Facebook shop. So pretty simple, just finish this up. So we'll click on get started. Over here, we select the platform that we're already using, which is Shopify. Click on next, give it a couple of seconds. So we've already installed the application, right? It's going to take us over to the next part. There we go. So this is the application. Now we just simply add this channel over here as our sales channels. Click on add channel, and it's already installed for the shop. So we'll just leave it at that. So over here, this is it. We're done. And this is the sales channels. And over here, we should be able to go ahead and start editing it out. So currently, I think it's done. But let's go back to our sales options, which was over here. But yeah, once we have added the account, I think we should have added the account first and then later. But yeah, I think it's done. But I think we'll just skip this for now. All right, and we'll do this later. And then we just simply go ahead and select the country where we are selling. All right, choose the point of sales or the sales channels. I think this looks good. And we'll just leave it at that. We'll select this one, click on next. This is the Instagram one. And then we add the product right over here. We add the products. If you already have a product catalog, which is this one, we are good to go. So currently this catalog can be selected because it doesn't meet our requirements. So let's see what that means. But so click on add items. And here we just simply add the products themselves, but we've already added them. But I think it's because we added the set over here. But yeah, so if we click over here, we can see this is the product right here. Currently the status, we just simply click on make it active. And I think that should be it. So currently it's deactivated. That's why we had to do that. So we need to make sure that all of our products are activated. And once they are done, we should be good to go. Then we can go ahead and import all of them within our Shopify store or our Instagram shop, and then we can go ahead and sell them. So pretty simple. This is how you do it. This is how you connect your Facebook account or your Shopify shop with Shopify. So pretty simple. This is how you do it. This is how you connect your Facebook shop and your Instagram shop with Shopify. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.